Thanks for staying in my life. Those of you who stay, thank you for watching me. Thanks for listening to me. I hope it's interesting for you to see how this future miniature Euro pallet is coming along. It's gonna take a while with the gluing, but you gotta be patient with everything. You know, we gotta be patient in life for everything, and especially with crafts and arts. We gotta be delicate. Yep. Nice. I like it. It's gonna become cool one. Third one. I don't know if you have seen a Euro pallet, but it has a... I can't show you on my phone now. It has a super specific sizes and proportions. 1 Euro pallet is usually 1 meter 20 centimeter long and 80 centimeter wide and 14.5 centimeter tall. So in order for me to decide how long these planks should be, in order for me to make the pallet in 1/12 of the scale, which is called also 1 inch scale, I counted myself. I divide the two sides separately on 12, because 1/12 of the scale means that the miniature pallet is 12 times smaller than the real original Euro pallet. So I divide 120 centimeters is the length of the real pallet by 12, which becomes 10 centimeters is the length of the miniature pallet. And I divide 80 centimeters by 12, it becomes 6.66 centimeters, which will be, this is 6.66 centimeters is the width of the future Euro pallet. So this is how you can count yourself everything you want to make into a miniature in 1/12 of the scale. You take the dimensions of the original furniture or whatever object you want to make into miniature, and divide the original dimensions of the original by 12. So this is not so hard. Now I'm gonna make like let me close this because it dries fast. Let's the glue have a break now. Okay, now I want to see the middle. Actually, this one is not perfectly straight. Yep. So we need to see where will be the middle three plank, kind of little beams, those three ones. Now it is 8 centimeters. 8 centimeters. This one is 1 centimeter. 8 centimeter minus 1, because we have to take it off, is 7 centimeters. Divided by 2 is 3.5 centimeters. So on the 3.5 centimeter and on the 4.5 centimeter, leave a mark, of course, a little bit inside, not to be visible later on. Let's do this end also. It's gonna be 3.5, 4.5. Good. Anyway, I'm gonna glue now. First, no, stay where you should stay. Okay. Good. Now like that. Then I'm gonna use this as the original and place the other one. Like that. And now the third one. Like that. I hope you are still interested in this process. Anyway, it's coming along bits by bits. I also do it for the first time. Whenever you make a new design or a new craft for the first time, it's always a little bit tricky, a little bit long. It takes a little bit longer. It needs a little bit more attention because you're still learning how to do this specific new thing. But with time you get better and better and better. Now I need these. Thanks for the likes, folks. I need this to be cured, like for a couple of minutes at least, because this glue, as I told you, for about 5 minutes the glue gets harder, but it needs a couple of hours in order to cure very, very well and to be absolutely cured. So it's just fastly hardening, but it's not cured for 5 minutes until the best cured possible. But like after 5 minutes, it's easier if you're careful. It's easier to continue work on the project. Of course, you should be careful. We remove excess glue. It already started to dry, you know. It's becoming like threads. Thanks for your likes, thanks for everybody who shares. Now, next is still gonna be tricky. This is how it's gonna look. This is the base of the miniature wooden Euro pallet, and it's gonna be looking like that. Of course, it's gonna be tricky until I set it up to be with 90-degree angle on the corners and to be, you know, straight. But I have experience with miniatures, so sometimes I can use just by my eye. Anyway, this is how it's gonna look, the mini Euro palette. Probably I can show you like this way. You can see a little bit from the sides. But it is still not ready, as you see. Let me show you.